Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. If your screen is not working, then I want to go ahead and show you how to do a hard reset without the screen. All you have to do, please like or subscribe by the way. All you have to do is on the left side, go ahead and push the volume up, volume down. Hold this on the right, hold it down, and then it will automatically reset for you. So let's go ahead and hold it down. We're holding. And now it should be, just keep holding it down and you'll see the Apple sign pop up. There we go. So then now you just did a hard reset and then it should hopefully not be frozen anymore. Okay, so go ahead and try that at home. And like I said, please like or subscribe. I appreciate that. See you next time. Bye-bye.